guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's me, LeighOnStyle. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this classic Valentine's look para sa mga may mag-celebrate ng Valentine. It is coming February 14, so para magkaroon kayo ng idea how to get ready on Valentine's Day. So, if you want to know how I made this look, then okay, to start, I already moisturized my face with my favorite Olay 7-in-1 moisturizer. And of course, I put moisturizer also under my eyes using this CeraVe Eye Repair Cream kasi alam mo na, nag-aging na, so kailangan na laging moisturize ang under eye. And for the primer, I'm gonna be using MAC Prep and Prime today. Put it all over my face. Medyo super breakout tayo lately, so hindi napansinin na akong face because I'm not gifted with perfect skin. So let's wait 2 minutes bago tayo mag-foundation. And for our foundation today, I'm gonna be using the two Infallible Pro Matte and FREASH Wear. So, i-mix ko siya. Hindi ko pa na-try i-mix, but gusto ko lang siyang i-mix today because I like the finish of this, but I like the coverage of this one. So, let's see. And of course, my favorite to apply my foundation is using my beauty sponge from Wonder 2. Hopefully it's gonna be a nice coverage. So maganda ang pinalabasan ng kanyang coverage. So of course, lalakpan natin ang aking mga dark spots. Medyo maganda. So if you don't like full coverage foundation, it's up to you guys. Pag gusto niyo ng medyo sheer lang, you don't have to use full coverage foundation. You can use any foundation as you want in this look. But ako kasi I prefer full coverage kasi I need to hide my dark spots. So, foundation day kung foundation day, ganyan. And it's time for concealer. So, I'm gonna be using the JOUER. This is a Queen Cafe shade. So, maganda din to kasi it has like hyaluronic acid, so maganda siya. Tignan mo. Okay, and to set my under eye, I'm gonna be using the MERCIER translucent powder. So, dadag ko lang ang aking sponge. Same sponge yung ginamit ko. Tignan. Including the side of my nose dahil masyado siyang oily, and my teeth, of course. And for the outer part of my face, I'm going to be using the Fit Me 230 face powder. Okay, so I did my brows already off cam, and now it's time to do our eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, syempre kailangan natin i-prime ang ating eyelids para hindi naman masayang ang ating effort sa pag-eyeshadow. So for the eyelids, I'm gonna be using, it's a concealer, it's not an eyeshadow primer, but ito kasi favorite ko to, maganda, easy to blend. So this is the LOREA'L True Match concealer pencil, something like that. So what I do is, nalagay ko lang siya dyan. Ganyan. Then I'll just use a brush to blend it all over the eyelids para kumapit. Kasi pag hindi nyo nilagyan ng either concealer or eye primer, sayang lang yung ang mangyayari, your eyeshadow din na crease and hindi maganda throughout the day. So Make sure pinaprime natin yung ating eyelids para kumapit yung ating eyeshadow. Then I'm just gonna be using the same Fit Me para i-lock in yung ating concealer. Alright, so I'm gonna be using the Bretman Collection Lead palette. So I wanna use this shade. Put it on the napakaganda nitong ano na to, eyeshadow there. Make sure you start at the end and blend it in. I'm gonna get different brush and I'm gonna be using the dark brown, that is the macchiato shade. Put it at the very end corner. When you're doing your eyeshadow, the key is just blending. There's no rule in eyeshadow, just blending. So, kuha lang ako ng clean brush and I'm just gonna blend it. Make sure darken natin ng konti yung dulo. So, para maganda. And using this Mercy, lalagay ko lang siya ng konti dito sa kasunod ng ating brown. So, I'll just put it here. And then, I'm just gonna blend it. Para may konting red. Knowing that it's Valentine's. So. And then using this wet palette, also by Bretman, I'm just gonna use the Skinny Legend just to go inside the crease. And then using this finish shade, parang matte white siya. I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner of my eyes. Then using a pencil brush, I'm just gonna drag this macchiato shade on my lower lash and make it like a smoky look. Then using this RIMMEL contour palette, I'm just gonna get the highlighter and put it also my waterline. For the contour, of course, I'm gonna be using the COLOURPOP Wildcard shade. Refill to so gamitin lalagyan mo. So I'm gonna be using this one. If you don't want to contour, it's up to you guys, so just skip it. But me, I like contouring so I can emphasize my cheekbone. I like this color kasi warm siya tsaka matte, so but this contour palette will do. Kung ano meron kayo, pwede mo. I also like the Wet n Wild na usually na ginagamit ko. So, okay. And I like to contour my nose, of course. So, ito ng konting katanghusan. I also use the same shade, and I like highlighting my nose, so if you don't want, you can skip this as well, but I like highlighting my nose in the middle. Maganda. And of course, a little bit on the cheek and on my cupid floor. Hindi naman tayo ng highlights dito. Hindi masyadong highlight. Ako naman, hindi ko naman masyadong highlighted dito kasi oily skin ako, so okay na sa akin yung very light lang ng highlight. And for the blush, I wanna pop up my cheeks, so I'm gonna be using the LA Girl, and the shade is just Peachy. Ito maganda talaga sa mga morena to. Magandang kulay. So, yeah. And I'm gonna pop up some lashes. I'm gonna be using the Ardell. Tinanggal ko na yung kanyang but you can see I'm using the Ardell, so kinat ko lang siya kasi masyadong malaki siya, masyadong mahaba siya para sa eyes ko. So, okay, now that I have my lashes, and I just did a little eyeliner, and I used the Kat Von D tattoo line. Dito lang sa inner corner para lang mag-connect yung pinaka-end ng lashes. And now it's time to set our face. So, ma-even out lahat and mag-melt ang lahat ng powder na nilagay natin sa ating face. And I will use Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Okay, now that our setting spray is dry, it's time to put our lipstick to complete our look. So I'm gonna be using the Vice Ganda liquid lipstick. This is really long lasting, saka maganda siya kahit kumain ka, hindi siya nabubura. So I wish na nagsiship sila international para maka-avail ako ng lagi ng mga bago nilang ini-issue, but since hindi, so ito pa yung dati ko. Ito yung pangalawa nilang in-issue. So naka-avail ako kasi nasa Philippines ako that time. Woo! Kaya guys, baka naman pwedeng internationally pa-ship naman kayo. And napaka-friendly ng applicator kasi hindi na kailangan mag-line eh. So that's all for today's video, and this is how I do my classic Valentine's look, and I hope na na-inspire ka at nagustuhan nyo. And as always, if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and consider to hit the notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. At sa lahat na magsa-celebrate ng Valentine's, I hope you will have a great one. Enjoy the Valentine's and spread the love in the world with your loved ones. So hanggang sa muli, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!